who are going through regression, they're dealing with their own perception of an event, and that's where the healing takes place.
Yeah.
And a lot of it is going to work through abreaction, or at least releasing negative emotion through some means.
Mhm.
Do you think hypnosis is essential, a hypnotic trance, for regression work?
I think that if we take the Clark Hull quote,
Trick
anything
question.
that assumes trance causes trance.
Yeah, I'll have the red flag ready just in case you go off the rails.
I think that we just talked about Freud, right? If you
Yes, I
bring
did.
someone back through conversation, whatever, if you do a good job with intention, congruence, you're calibrating, they're going into trance in order to be I don't think that you can be in this regressed state that is associated into that past memory without being essentially in a trance.
I'm so impressed by your answer. I put the red flag down, and
Oh.
I'm going to award you with this. I'm going to award you with this. I brought the guinea pig laugh back. Okay.
It.
Now, yeah, it's going to happen anyway, but we believe, and again, these don't bother writing to us because
We won't.
it's
write
just our
back
opinion
for-
here.
No.
But we believe,
will
based
write
on between us, more than 60 years of hypnosis experience,
Yeah, a lot
that
more than that.
you really do require a somnambulistic trance. Now, I know there's going to be the naysayers right away. Oh, there's no such thing, and my brother taught them. These are models.
Let's
These
say
are
it
only
works.
models. We
Let's
get off
say
all
it
kinds of things
works.
by just saying, well, it's just a model, which is great. But it's the model that a somnambulistic trance where we are able to get to
Mhm.
these events that are not available to the conscious mind. That's what we think you need.
I think that makes sense. That you're going to shoot for. Oops. hit
Shoot for the
microphone.
goof?
You're going to shoot the goofer. Yeah.
Shoot
you're
for
gonna
the
you're gonna
goofer.
shoot for a somnambulistic trance.
Yeah.
The closer you get to that, probably the more repeatable the results you will get, or the more bulletproof the results you will get in
Nice.
the situation.
Clever
If you
guy.
don't have, if we think of it as a spectrum, the so-called depth of trance, if they are deep-ish and you do a good job and they really want change, they're at threshold, etc., I still think you're going to get very good results.
I think you will too.
Yeah.
We routinely go for a somnambulistic trance with our students
Yeah.
because, as Jerry Kine, who I don't really quote very often, but he's right about this. It was, God bless him, he's gone, but the working state of hypnosis is somnambulism.
Yeah.
And that's definitely
It's
the
a good
case.
point. A good time.